Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If the matrix A is a rectangular matrix, the number of rows in this matrix is 2 and the number of columns is equal to 3. So this matrix A is a rectangular matrix and we have to calculate the minor of an element of each of the elements contained in the matrix A. So first to calculate the minor of an element in the first row and first column is denoted by M11. So to calculate the minor of the element contained in the first row and first column of the matrix A, we delete the first row and first column and we write the remaining elements in a determinant. So this determinant is the value of this determinant is impossible. The condition that if determinant contain the element A and B in the first row and the element C and D in the second row, the value of this determinant is equal to AD minus BC. So this condition is fair because in this determinant there is only one row and two columns. There is only one row and two columns. Therefore, we cannot calculate the value of this determinant as we can calculate the value of this determinant if the determinant is a square if the determinant is the determinant of a square matrix such that this determinant this matrix contains the two rows and two columns. In the first row there are two elements A and B, and in the second row there are two elements C and D, and in the first column there are the elements A and C, and in the second column there are the elements B and C. Therefore, we can calculate the value of this determinant by applying this condition, this formula. As there are no elements somewhere here, therefore we cannot calculate the value of this determinant. That is, there are no element to multiply this element with with that element minus multiply this element with this element, as we can do it in this determinant. Therefore, in this case we can decide that when we have to calculate the cofactor and minor of an element of a matrix, the matrix will be a square matrix. That is, the cofactor, that is the minor of this element is impossible because this matrix is a rectangular matrix. Similarly, if we have to calculate the cofactor, the cofactor of an element in the first row and first column, we multiply the minor of an element in the first row and first column by minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. This one represents the row of an element A11 and this element 1 represents the column of an element A11. Therefore, as the minor of an element in the first row and first column, we delete the first row and first column, we write the remaining element in the determinant, multiply by minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. As the determinant of this determinant is impossible, therefore, in this case, we can decide that the cofactor of an element in a matrix when the matrix is a rectangular matrix is impossible. That is only we can calculate the cofactor and minor of the element of a square matrix.